Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is me, Elizabeth, and this is my video. First of all, I use concealer to shape my eyebrow, and this is from Napi Dual Concealer. We can get the liquid concealer and stick concealer, and this time I use a stick concealer, and I think that's more pigmented. And yeah, now I use NYX eyebrow powder. I use brush from the set, and yeah, this is a very small brush. It's so hard for use it. And then I use the concealer again to shape my brow to make it more beautiful. I use the concealer in the up and in the bottom, and don't worry it's too white, cause yeah, when I use the foundation it will more beautiful and the color is more matte. And then I'll set it with I set it with the beauty powder. Yeah, this actually my face powder, but the color is too white, that's why I just make it for this video. And then I use the eyeshadow for the brow bone, and I forget to use the tape for shaping my eyeshadow. Now I use it. For the transition color, I use a brown color. I don't know what's the name, because the palette not read the name. And then I use the orange color. Yeah, cause I think that's the color is not too beautiful, but don't worry. And then I use the darkest color of the orange set color in my crease. And then yeah, actually I use the red color. I think this is more beautiful and make my eyes not so hooded. I use the pencil brush, but then I'm blending it with the Real Technique blending brush to make it more smoother. And yeah, I use the red orange color for my crease to make it more defined and more beautiful. And then finally I use the shimmery color and the black eyeshadow to make it more smoothie. And then finally I use the eyeliner. This is from Etude House liquid liner, and yeah, this is so small brush, it might be 0.1 milli, and I use it very carefully. And yeah, this is I'm trying to make the eyeliner more beautiful with my hooded eyes. And then I used Wardah pan eyeliner to fill in all my eyeliner. And then for my bottom eyeshadow, first I use the very light orange, and then I use the dark red, and after this I will use the black eyeshadow, of course. Don't be so much. Draw the eyeshadow, and then after this I use the Catrice eyeliner, wet eyeliner, I think, to make my eyes more bigger. But I know this is my eyes is so big, but I don't know why I wanna use the eyeliner. And then finally I use the mascara from Maybelline, and I forgot what is it. And then yeah, for complexion, I forgot to use the primer, but yeah, I'm now using the foundation from Wet and Wild Porcelain, and this is very light. That's why I make the video, cause I cannot use it in my everyday makeup look. I will look like a ghost. And then yeah, I highlight my nose with the concealer from Napi Duo Concealer, and I use in my under eye and nose. And then I use the concealer from LA Core to make the contour, and I want to make some chubby face, but I think when I blend it, it's not look so chubby. I don't know why, but I still must to learn how to contour to make it more chubby. Cause my face is very thin, and I wanna look more fat with a chubby face. And then I blend it with a brush, and then I use the cream. This is the cream highlighter from Sleek. And then smile. Even I'm not so happy, I'll try to smile to use this highlighter. I'm sorry, my English is not good, but I'm trying to speak in English and I learn it. Now I'll set my face with my face powder from Mars, and I'll set it on my smile line, and voila! I'll brush the excess, and then I'm using a bronzer from Rimmel to bronze my face and to contour my nose. I use the contour brush from Wet and Wild. And then I use the blush on from Nika K. I mixed all the colors, and yeah, I'm smile again to wear that blush. And then I use the powder highlighter again because I think my face is not too shiny. And then finally I use the lipstick from Emina, and this is not lipstick, I think this is lip cream from Emina. And this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye bye.